Okay, so a month ago, my youngest started junior school. It was a big change up because obviously it's a brand new school, and having gone 4 years with same friends in the same class, there's now external kids coming to class as well. So it's quite a big change for her. She's been there for a month, and this last week, her teacher has been off ill with a chest infection. And what's happened is the last 2 mornings I've gone to drop off at school and we've had tears. Anyone who's a parent knows that tears at the best of times isn't good, but you know, if it's pretty much unexplained, it's not a nice feeling. And so having to take her up to the gates, try and get her friends to come round or a teacher to come and take her in when she's crying in the morning, isn't a nice thing really. But what it's turned out to do, when we've sort of had a little chat about it, it's down to change and uncertainty that has brought this on. Basically, she's had a month of getting used to her teacher, a month of getting used to new friends in the class, and then all of a sudden that's changed this last week. As I say, the teacher's been off with a chest infection for the whole week, and what they've actually had is a different teacher 4 days out of 5 days. So someone totally new, a supply teacher's come in from another school or to help out, and it's just someone totally new. So this has brought in some overwhelm, some uncertainty, some change, and people react to these in different ways. So, you know, it's, as adults, we need to try and really predict change. Change will happen. Change isn't a bad thing to do. But what we need to do is we need to really try and have this prediction response thing going on when something does occur to stop overwhelm happening, because otherwise questions will start coming in our minds, and if we can't give answers to the questions, the predictions are there, but if we can't give responses, the answers, we'll tend to put ourselves further into frustration, into overwhelm, into anxiety and things like that. So it's worth thinking, you know, if something's coming up or if you've got something on your mind, try and address it. That's the prediction. You've got the thoughts going on, oh, I wonder if this, or maybe what I should be doing is that. Try and think logically, just slow down a little bit and just try and focus on one thing and try and focus on the responses to it. What is a logical response to whatever you're predicting? For her, in this instance, it's a case of, look, today's Friday, you'll be coming home soon, you've got your same friends in the class, that's fine. Your teacher's coming back Monday. All of these things that you can put in logical thoughts into it, rather than, oh, you'll be all right, go on, off you go, which isn't really a helpful response to it all. But just try and come up with logical responses. You will go into further overwhelm if there's too many predictions, too many voices in the heads. What if, but this could happen, that might happen, blah, blah, blah. So try and really come up with logical responses. Think logically, try and just slow down, because also going too fast will create more prediction with not enough response. So I'm off to pick her up in an hour. Hopefully we'll be all right and we'll come up with some more responses if not. But yeah, have a think, you know, prediction, response, reduce the overwhelm, reduce the anxiety, and just look to try and aim to be in control of your thoughts and your actions. Hope that helps out for you.